This is part one of Can't Stop the Throb here at Vibe House Pilates in Crown Point, Indiana. So let me show you how this goes. So first, it's gonna start with our fists, all right? So we're gonna take our right fist and our left foot, and we're gonna stomp it. We're gonna kind of face outward towards the left, okay? We're gonna take our left fist and we're gonna kind of bring it this way. Now we're gonna be looking to the right. So what we have so far is left, right, and you're gonna dab it twice. So bop, bop. Okay? So the count would be 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Moving along. Next up is the shoulder shrug. So basically the shoulder shrug, it's gonna be your right shoulder, it's gonna bop down, and your left shoulder is gonna bop down. They're both gonna do twice. So bop, 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 bop. Now, I'd say probably the most important part of that is to make sure that your feet are right on time. So just like how we start from the beginning here, the 1, 2, 3, 4. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our hands kind of at our belt area, and our left foot is gonna step on the and. So, and 5. And when we hit 5, our right foot's gonna come down with our shoulder. So the and 5, 6, that's the 2 strokes down, and we're gonna switch it around the other way. So we did and 5, 6, and 7, 8. All right, so very important that your feet are stepping. It's the first step is on the and. So again, it would be and 5, 6, and 7, 8. There we go. Moving right along. After that, we're going to, first I'm going to show the steps of what to do. So you're basically going to put your weight on your left foot, then put your weight on your right foot, and then you're going to gallop out. So left, right. See, like that? So it would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. All right. Now for our hands, what we're going to do is we are going to bring our hands around the head. So left, gonna bring it down towards your torso, right, and then we're gonna do this resuscitation move. That's gonna be twice. So we go left, right, resuscitate. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. We're gonna turn around 270 degrees, okay? It's about 3/4 of the way. Turn to our right. We're gonna turn to our right. We're gonna hit our hands on the count 6 over our hearts like this. And we're going to pop it 7, 8. All right? So let's put it all together, okay? From the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. So that's the end of part 1. Part 2 coming up next. Stay tuned.